story's title is Holi Hai by Chittagong Soundar, illustrated by Darshika Verma. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
The moon was round and almost full. 2 more sleeps to Holi, said Gauri.
1 and 2,
counted Anish. The next morning, Grandma held out a bowl full of colored paper. Gather round, let's pick gulal to make. What is gulal, Grandma? Asked Gauri. All the colors we will splash and smear on Holi day, Grandma replied, to celebrate spring.
We're going to make them from nature,
said Dad.
from leaves, spices,
and flowers,
finished Anish. Everyone closed their eyes and pulled out a colored paper from the bowl. Dad had blue, Mom grabbed green, Grandma picked saffron orange, Grandpa had purple, Anish got yellow. Gauri got upset. I didn't get my favorite color, she yelled, scrunching the paper in her fist. I don't want red, I want yellow. Gauri, all colors are part of spring, said Mom. We keep the colors we picked. Everyone got busy making gulal, except Gauri. Dad boiled cabbage leaves to make blue.
Want to give me a hand?
He asked. Gauri shook her head. No, she shouted. Mom spread mint and spinach leaves on the floor to dry. I'll grind them up to make green, she said. Would you like to help? But Gauri didn't help Mom either.
yellow,
Shouted Anish.
with turmeric, look.
Grandma rubbed sandalwood on a stone to get saffron orange. It smells nice, she said. Grandpa crushed beetroot into the bucket of water.
This will make a nice purple,
he said, but Gauri didn't join in. That night, Dad started a bonfire. Grandpa told them one of the legends of Holi.
Holika was an evil demoness, but her nephew Prahlad wasn't evil. He loved everyone and didn't want to harm anyone. This angered Holika and she decided to teach Prahlad a lesson. Holika started a blazing fire. I am so evil that the fire can't burn me, she gloated, extending her arm. Come on, nephew, let's see if your love can save you from the fire's blaze.
Was Prahlad scared?
Asked Anish.
Prahlad wasn't scared,
Said Grandpa.
He wasn't even angry. He knew that love was stronger than his aunt's anger. Prahlad stepped into the fire with Holika.
Oh no, said Gauri.
Don't worry,
Said Grandpa.
A few minutes later, Prahlad walked out of the fire alone and unharmed. He had shown everyone that love was stronger than evil.
The fire is like the anger in Holika's heart, said Grandmother. Anger didn't bring her joy. When we celebrate Holi tomorrow, we will have love in our hearts for everyone, said Mom, just like Prahlad did. Gauri thought about the anger in her heart. Could she let go and be more like Prahlad? Coral red blooms gently flew away from the tree. The petals reminded Gauri of all the red things she liked. Apples, sunsets, the ruby in her favorite necklace. That gave Gauri an idea. That evening, while everyone was busy, Gauri gathered the coral red petals and spread them on a sheet of newspaper. Then she rolled Grandma's stone pestle over them, crushing the pestles into powder. The next morning,
Red,
cried Anish.
Gauri's gulal.
Grandma pulled Gauri into a hug. Red is the color of love, she said. And apples and rubies and sunsets, said Gauri. And anger too. I'm sorry I got upset. I forgive your anger with my calming saffron, said Grandma, spreading sandalwood paste on Gauri's cheeks. In the garden, they sprayed and splashed colors at one another: yellow, orange, blue, purple, green, and red. Then they drank cold thandai to quench their thirst. When it was time for lunch, a feast was spread on the table. Paranthas, pulao rice, golgappas and dahi bhallas. Grandma handed out the sweet gujiyas she had made.
Today is the first day of spring.
Said Grandpa.
Time for new beginnings.
Today is the day of love, said Grandma. All fights are forgotten. Holi hai, called Gauri.
Holi hai!
Wished everyone.
The end. Happy Holi. Thanks for watching. For more exciting read aloud stories, please subscribe to our channel Little Hearts Super Kids. Also follow us on Instagram for amazing updates.